Can I just tell you this, my dear brother, that, I've not appeared on the equivalent of the Zambia Broadcasting Television, which is ZBC, and we only have one television station, by the way, in Zimbabwe. There's no independent television station. There's only one television station since independence, something that is bizarre and unheard of. But on that television station, I, as a leader of the alternative, during the election campaign, I was never interviewed once. I never appeared on that television once. The only time I appear there is when they are accusing me of something, and I appear there, my mouth will just be moving, but I'm not allowed to say anything. And they will be doing, they will be the spokespersons to say, you are saying this, but it can't, even lying. So you find that I've not been on this television station, I think, for close to about 7 or so years now. Maybe I last appeared when I was a member of parliament, way back. So it's a big issue. There is no coverage, but you know what? With all that kind of blackout, we are still standing. We are very active and very live in broadcasting in the hearts and minds of the people of Zimbabwe. That's why, we are unshakable, unbreakable, and we continue to be very strong. Well, we really are using what I would call community-based communication through our structures. But more importantly, we also use the social media. It is a very useful platform. WhatsApp, and Facebook, Twitter. We try to reach out to people so that even this ostracization does not affect us. Because what they would want is to speak on our behalf and say, no, these ones are dead and buried.
Yes.
And when we appear in communities, they'll be saying, no, they are trying to resurrect, but we have already killed them. You can see the deployment that has been against us. Our senior leaders being charged, on account of various charges, being drawn to court, persecution, of our leaders. Through prosecution. We have also seen, weaponization of the law, and lately we've been seeing weaponization of COVID. COVID has become a weapon for most dictators. They always hide behind COVID, but they will be doing things on their own, but they say, no, COVID doesn't allow this. You can't do this because of COVID. So you can actually see that COVID has become a key instrument and weapon of most of these dictators. We always try to continue to get our message out there on account of other platforms.